Hey guys, this is DIY Kelly, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to make DIY thick basic slime. If you're a beginner, then this is a perfect slime for you. This is still a perfect slime to make even if you're not a beginner. As you know, I just started making my channel, and I'm striving to make the best quality videos for you. To make this slime, just keep on watching. I hope you enjoy. The first step to making the slime is pouring in your desired amount of white PVA glue. I'm using Elmer's Gold Glue. I like to add a few squirts of hand soap as well. To make the slime extra thick, I like to add a little bit of shaving cream. Since you don't want your slime to be hard, I like to add a bit of lotion. One of the things that helps the gloss come, you need to add 1 teaspoon of water. I'm adding 2 half teaspoons. One of the key ingredients to make your slime thick, you need to add a bunch of cornstarch. Add 1.5 teaspoon of cornstarch into your mixture, and I'm adding 3 half teaspoons. A squirt of clear glue makes your slime extra glossy. Now mix it all up. The slime will be clumpy at first, but if you keep on mixing, it'll start to smooth out. Now to make the borax solution, add 1/4 teaspoon of borax to 1.5 cups of warm water. Make sure you stir the solution thoroughly. You don't really want any clumps of borax in your slime. Now that you have your borax solution, start to slowly pour it into your glue. Make sure you pour in your borax solution little by little so you won't overactivate it. With a lot of mixing, your slime should slowly begin to form. Just keep on adding your activator. Don't worry if your slime isn't forming right away, because with a lot of mixing and patience, it'll definitely begin to form. It'll work like magic. Now that your slime is basically formed but a little bit sticky, you can start kneading with your hands. Just do the same procedure by adding the activator little by little and just knead with your hands, because kneading with your hands will help a lot. Add a little bit of model magic so your slime will be creamy and just a little bit more thick. Make sure you mix it in well, and as you can see, it's already become very creamy and very thick. Since we kneaded it so much, there are a ton of bubbles in this, so we're going to have to store it into an airtight container for 2 to 3 nights. This is the result a few days later. As you can see, it's very thick, glossy, and creamy. This is one of my favorite recipes ever because it's so easy and it takes really little time to make, and the result is the bomb.com. The following videos are different clips I took of this slime. The slime is very satisfying to poke, to stretch, and to make bubbles with. So that concludes our video, and since you're here, please make sure to help out my channel by subscribing. I hope you learned a lot from this video and comment some suggestions for my next DIY video. Since my channel is new, it would help a lot if you liked and suggested this video. I hope you enjoyed.